Electric eel. Not actually an eel, more like a long, angry battery with fins. This river-dwelling predator can unleash shocks up to 6,000 volts, enough to stun a horse, or make your Wi-Fi router explode just from looking at it. It doesn't just use this power to hunt fish. It can also leap out of the water and zap threats directly, like a living taser on steroids. And here's the kicker. Its body is basically stacked power cells. Rows of electrocytes firing in sync. Nature invented the power grid before Edison even thought of a light bulb. But the irony? Despite being a supercharged monster,
every metal rail. You can hide a secret under a hoodie, but you can't hide every hallway light, every trembling locker kept asking the same.
The pistol shrimp looks harmless. Tiny, barely 5 centimeters long, but its claw, that's basically a marine sniper rifle. With one snap, it fires a bubble at over 100 kilometers per hour. The collapse of that bubble creates a shockwave hotter than the surface of the sun. Yes, the ocean's smallest hitman is also a thermonuclear physicist. And if the heat doesn't kill the prey, the pressure wave will knock it out cold. The shrimp just strolls over and enjoys dinner. But here's the comedy. This incredible weapon isn't even silent. It makes a pop so loud, it can crack aquarium glass. Mantis shrimp. Colorful, flashy, and absolutely terrifying. This little rainbow lobster punches harder than Mike Tyson on caffeine. Its club-like arms strike with the speed of a .22 caliber bullet. That's over 80 kilometers per hour underwater. And the impact? Like smashing glass with a jackhammer. Aquarium keepers call them tank smashers because they literally break glass walls. Yes, nature built a boxing glove so strong it doubles as demolition gear. But the weirdest thing? Their punches are so fast they boil the water around them. Tiny flashes of light, cavitation bubbles, explode as backup hits. So you're not just being punched once, you're being hit twice by a
You annoying bastard!
axolotl. The salamander that refuses to grow up. It never becomes an adult, just a baby forever with a goofy smile. But behind that cartoon face hides one of the greatest powers in nature. It can regrow almost anything. Legs, tail, spine, even parts of its brain. Basically, if you delete its memory, it just downloads a new one. Humans break a leg, 6 months with crutches. Axolotl breaks a leg, Tuesday morning, back to normal by Friday. Scientists are obsessed with them, slicing, scanning, cloning, trying to steal their secrets. Meet the bombardier beetle. A bug so small you'd barely notice it, until it literally weaponizes its butt. Inside its abdomen, 2 chemicals sit in separate chambers. When danger comes, they mix, and the beetle blasts boiling liquid at nearly 100 degrees Celsius, right into a predator's face. And it's not just one squirt. This bug can rapid fire like a machine gun. Click, click, click. Each shot perfectly aimed. Frogs have been known to spit them out, coughing like they just inhaled pepper spray. Lizards? Sometimes they drop dead on the spot. Scientists tried copying the mechanism in labs. Most attempts ended with shattered glassware and embarrassed grad students. Lyrebird! A bird so talented it doesn't just sing, it does impressions! Perfect impressions! Chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, even crying babies. If it hears it, it can copy it. Basically, it's nature's voice actor, but with zero royalties. And the mimicry isn't just for fun. In the wild, lyrebirds use fake calls to confuse predators, steal mates, and generally gaslight the forest. Imagine walking through the woods and hearing construction noises, only to realize it's one bird doing an entire building site by itself. David Attenborough once filmed one copying a camera shutter while it was being filmed. That's right, the bird was literally mocking the documentary crew to their face. So yeah, while other birds sing about love and territory, this one sings about chainsaws.
How about now?
I prefer the real Raven. I said the real Raven. Perfection.